Where are the animals? Animals are playing hide and seek. Ant, panda, and cat run to hide. And alligator closes his eyes to count.
Ready or not, here I come. Where is Ant? Ah, what is that in the apple? Ant is in the apple. Now, where is Cat? Is that a tail behind the axe? Cat is behind the axe. And Panda, where could you be? Oh, is that a back on the rock? I found Panda on the rock. Alligator found all his animal friends. The animals are happy.